Hi friends, this is Suresh. Welcome to Vikram channel. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ డిసెంబర్లో మిడ్ లెవెల్ హెల్త్ ప్రొవైడర్ ఎగ్జామ్ జరిగింది. దానికి సంబంధించి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ విత్ ఆన్సర్స్ మన దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి. ఇటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ నర్సింగ్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళకి చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతాయి ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో నర్సింగ్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్కి ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళు ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి ఇటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్. అలాగే టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ చదవండి, రిక్రూట్మెంట్ బుక్స్ చదవండి, డెఫినెట్గా సక్సెస్ అవుతారు. సో ఇప్పుడు టాపిక్లోకి వెళ్దాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, tuberculin test known as fourth option is right, Montex test. Sepsis means. Second question, third option is right answer friends, presence of pathogenic organism. Third question, how frequently deworming is done for adolescents? Fourth option is right, biannual. సంవత్సరానికి 2 times డీవార్మింగ్ చేస్తారు ఫ్రెండ్స్ అడాల్సెన్స్లో. ఫోర్త్ క్వశ్చన్, ద ఫాలోయింగ్ సిమ్టమ్స్ ఆర్ సీన్ ఆఫ్టర్ మోనోపాజ్ ఎక్సెప్ట్. ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ రైట్, బ్రాడీకార్డియా. ఫిఫ్త్ క్వశ్చన్, వెన్ వాజ్ ద MTP యాక్ట్ enacted by the Indian Parliament? Fourth option is right, 1971. Sixth question, what is immunity? Second option is right, capacity of host to resist infection. Seventh question, the nurse is assessing a 6 months old child for development skills. Which of the following are normal and should be accepted? First option is right, sits alone. Eighth question, epidemiological triad comprise of. Second option is right, agent, host, environment. Ninth question, diagnosis of obesity can be done by calculating BMI, which stands for body mass index. Fourth option is right. 10th question, the counseling tips for adolescents include all of the following. The counseling tips for adolescents include all of the following except. Second option is right, keep classmates informed. 11th question, what are the uses of vaccine while monitor? Second option is right, to check the patency of vaccine at the time of administration. 12th question, exclusive breastfeeding for young infant means. First option is right, the infant receives only breast milk and nothing else. First option is right. 13th question, the most frequent cause of maternal death during childbirth is. The most frequent cause of maternal death during childbirth is. Fourth option is right, hemorrhage. 14th question, the best method to dispose of hospital waste. Fourth option is right, incineration. Measles is spread by. 15th question, measles is spread by. Third option is right, droplet infection. 16th question, which of the following is sign of Hirschsprung disease? Which of the following is the sign of Hirschsprung disease? Second option is right. Persistent abdominal distension and no passing of meconium up to 24 to 48 hours after birth. Second option is right. 17th question. Starting of menstrual cycle is called. Third option is right. Menarche. Starting of menstrual cycle is called menarche. 18th question. A client tells the nurse that the first day of her last menstrual period was July 22, 2008. What is the estimated date of delivery? దీనికి ఒక ఫార్ములా ఉంది ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఆ ఫార్ములాను యూజ్ చేసి మీరు కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్స్ను తెలుసుకోవచ్చు. ఫార్ములా ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ డేట్ ఆఫ్ లాస్ట్ మెన్స్ట్రువల్ పీరియడ్ ప్లస్ 9 months ప్లస్ 7 days వేసుకుంటే మీకు కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ April 29, 2009. 19th question. Oral polio vaccine is live attained vaccine. First option is right. 20th question. Kangaroo mother care to a preterm low birth weight baby is given by. Kangaroo mother care to a preterm and low birth weight baby is given by. Fourth option is correct. Any of the family member. 21 question. What are the diagnostic criteria for pregnancy induced hypertension? What are the diagnostic criteria for pregnancy induced hypertension? First option is correct. 2 consecutive BP readings 140/90 mmHg taken 4 hours apart after 20 weeks of gestation. 2 consecutive BP readings 140/90 mmHg taken 4 hours apart after 20 weeks of gestation. First option is right answer, friends. 22 question. Which nutritional deficiency is common among adolescents in India? Which nutritional deficiency is common among adolescents in India? Iron deficiency anemia. Third option is correct. 23rd question. The most significant feature of the Indian population. The most significant feature of the Indian population. Third option is correct. Size of its adolescent population. Size of its adolescent population. 24th question. Dental caries is caused due to deficiency of fluorine. First option is correct. Fluorine. 25th question. Which procedure will help in the management of atonic PPH? 25th question. Which procedure will help in the management of atonic PPH? Bimanual compression of uterus. Fourth option is correct. 26th question. Intake of vitamin C helps in the absorption of. Intake of vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron. Second option is right. 27th Question: in which of the following condition a woman does gain more weight than normal accepted? In which of the following condition a woman does gain more weight than normal accepted? Twin pregnancy. Second option is right. 28th question. TIA stands for transient ischemic attack. Transient ischemic attack. Third option is right. 29th question. Which of the following is communicable disease? Which of the following is a communicable disease? Second option is right. Diphtheria. 13th question. The daily requirement of iodine for normal human growth and development is. The daily requirement of iodine for normal human growth and development is 100 to 150 micrograms. 100 to 150 micrograms. Second option is right. So ఈ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ని 4 పార్ట్స్గా డివైడ్ చేసి చెప్తాను ఫ్రెండ్స్. సో రిమైనింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ను నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో చూద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ద ఛానల్. మీకు మరిన్ని వీడియో అప్డేట్స్ కావాలంటే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ది ఛానల్.